During the pandemic, there was a marked increase sa suicide sa ating paligid. And in connection with death by suicide, pag-usapan natin ang suicide at life insurance. Ang life insurance, of course, is a form of policy which will compensate the heirs or those left behind by the person who dies, for a fee. And meron tayong Republic Act 10607. Ito yung insurance code. At itong section 2 nito, meron siyang mga provisions which are directly related to suicide ng isang insured individual. Of course, an insurance policy, ang pinaka-importanteng factor in order that an insurance policy will be effective is the payment of premiums. So pag nagpa-insure ka at nakaligtaan mong mag-pay ng premiums, then for all legal intents and purposes, hindi ka covered by insurance. No? Now, kailan magiging liable ang insurer kung ang taong insured ay nag-suicide? One, dapat yung insurance policy has been existing for 2 years or more. So, yun yung basic under Section 183 of the code. The insurance will have to be effective for 2 years. In other words, pag mag-suicide ka man, literally, you can do it after the 3rd year of the insurance policy. Ang suicide caused by insanity is compensable anytime. So, pag ikaw ay nag-suicide and you have illness with your mind, sabi ng Section 183, it can be compensable regardless of the date of the commission of the suicide. Pag insanity ang cost, in other words, hindi mag-a-apply yung 2 years. If I take the insurance now, and tomorrow I commit suicide, but it is proven that insane ako, then the insurer must pay my heirs of the proper compensation. Okay, yon, regardless of insanity. But like I said, ang general rule, dapat it will only be effective for 2 years. Okay. If there is a stipulation doon sa insurance na mas mababa yung number of years bago ka makompensate. Halimbawa, merong tinatawag na rider doon sa insurance policy. At yung rider na yon, sabi niya, the insurance company is waiving yung 2-year period at pinirmahan ng insurer and the insured. Then, pwede yan to claim for benefits. Of course, kailan hindi magbabayad ang insurer sa suicide under the following conditions: when it is not by reason of insanity at hindi siya nangyari within the required 2-year period. If you do not have any mental illness at nag-suicide ka after 1 year taking the insurance, then hindi siya mag-a-apply because yung 2-year period and because hindi reason of insanity. Another is, of course, when the insurance policy stipulates very clearly that death by suicide is not covered by the insurance policy. And of course, ito yung mga provisions na mag-a-apply sa insurance policy because these are stipulations made by the parties. And of course, if the signature of either of the parties is obtained by fraud. In other words, hindi mo ni-reveal yung inyong mental illness or hindi mo reveal yung tendency mo to commit suicide or to take your life, then this is a ground for not paying your insurance compensation because of fraud.